Alright. We're going to test this cheap bore sight. It didn't cost very much. I don't even remember what it cost. Like, I don't know, $10 or something like that. It was quite cheap. Alright, I need more hands and... Oh, here we go. Okay. Got your screws. Probably lost one right there. It's got very little directions, which sucks, but here's your bore sight, and it fits down the front of the barrel, right? Then you got different bore diameters. See, this screws into the end like that. One-handed thing. All right, we'll take this. Oh, all right, there we go. Oh, I forgot. I still got one attached. Okay, so yeah, there it is. So here's a big bore right there. Oh, that's a big gun. So what it does is attach it on the end of that, which that one already is, and then you turn the screw, and see the way it's built? It opens up till it fits the bore. Okay, got it? Good. Okay, so the batteries, yeah, that's another thing. They don't tell you what size batteries. You gotta go on YouTube and watch other stuff, and you'll get it, and you'll see, and they're, yeah, so they're like 1.5, and what's it say? What's it say? See, I almost lost that one. Oh, you prick. Oh, well, you can't see that? Well, I'll just have to read it out for you. LR44. Yeah. And I believe it's 1.5, whatever. So we'll test this and see how it does. Okay? Alright. And action. Alright, well, well, it's not raining right now. Well, it's supposed to rain all day, but a little break here. So I'm going to try to bore sight this rifle as quickly as possible. Okay? And we're going to bore sight it the old-fashioned way, and maybe even double check it with an actual bore sight. So what I got the rifle is in an old vise set up and everything. So what I got is the bolt removed. Yes. So that I could look right down through the barrel. And I don't know if it's picking that up or not. That don't matter. Just whatever. As long as you get the idea. Okay, so I got it set up with that pine tree there. Okay, the big pine, and we'll get up close. While I got it set on, I'll show you. Here we go. I got it set on. I'll show you. Here we go. And this is about 50 yards. Who knows? A little less, a little more. Who cares? So we'll tune it in once we actually get to the range. Alright, so here's the pine. And there's the white spot. Okay? That's the white spot. Oh, jeez. Almost broke my leg there. Oh, let's get back to business right quick here before it starts raining. Alright. 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 Okay, here we go. So, you take the bolt out, then you can actually look down the barrel, right? So then you put the white spot on that tree in the middle of the barrel, right? And that's your bore. Yeah. So now you look at the sights, right? adjust your sights accordingly. And let me look down through there. Oh, I can't see the camera, so I'll just tell you. So the sights are a little off. They're a little low and to the left. So we'll fix that. Right. And we'll put that right on that white spot. Maybe a little high, right? Because you got to remember, the sights are a little high, right? So I'm at 50 yards, so I'll set it a little bit high. Not much, though, because we want them to intersect at maybe further out than 50 yards, maybe closer to 100 yards, you know what I'm saying? So you got the, all right, we got this bore sight set up. And let's go see. Before it starts raining. Check it out. It's a pretty cheap bore sight, but I mean, there it is. It's not far from the white dot. Say about 2 inches. Remember when I did the bore sight looking down the barrel, that's right on. And my sights were, what was they? A little low or a little high? I can't remember. I'll fix it. Anyways, the bore sight itself is pretty darn close for a cheap old bore sight. And there it is. So, for a cheap bore sight, it works.